So our glasses are all clean, as you can see. So I just need to give this place a wipe down so that everything can be cute and clean, because as you can see, it's looking hell crazy, but yeah, that is how it's looking. So the glasses I'll push to the end, and then I'm going to just arrange everything else. And guys, from here I want you to view outside. It is so cute. Those are our nearest neighbors, wako kule mwisho, and then hizo ni mahindi za jirani. You see how they've done very well, and the whole place looks cute, you know. So when I'm washing my dishes, I can simply just breathe some fresh air from outside. Vile mnaona vile kuna fiti sana, and it wants to rain. As you can see, it's cloudy. But yeah, that's my view from here, and I am enjoying. Pia kuna kabarabara hapa, so sometimes when people are passing, they just wave to you like, hi, sasa, kumbe mko around? And we're like, yeah, tuko around. So yeah, that is how everything is looking. Cute, 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 you know. And that's the view. From there you go to the sink. Na huku tunaoshanga vyombo na sabuni ya kipande. Mambo mengi hakuna ati detergent nini. This is what you get. This is what you get. This is what you get. Hi guys, good morning. What's up? This is a new day and we're still in the village, and as you know, this is a home of animals, and perhaps I shall show you more animals, and we have a couple of them. And yeah, we have rabbits. Other people call them bunny, but yeah, we have rabbits. Hannah, guys, this one is called Hannah. I feel Hannah is the most cutest, because as you can see, color zake ni smart sana. Hi Hannah, go back in, go back in. Yeah, so that is how Hannah looks like. Anakaa fiti sana. So this is Tom. He's still a young boy. Hi Tom. So guys, we have Cindy and the mother. Cindy is the daughter. Get out. I want to see the mother. So as you can see, there are two of them. So we have Cindy and the mom. Cindy, your mom is shy. Your mom does not want to come out. No, get in. Back in. Back in. Come on, back in. Back in, please. Me, I have no energy to start running around. Go back, go back. Bye. Hey, Milker. Hi, Milker. Wow, so you're flossing. Come here, come here. Come. Wow. Guys, there is one more at the far end, but it's black in color. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, my camera can't focus well, but there is one more there. So I think they are 6 in number, and this is where they keep their food. They just basically eat is it weeds? I don't know what these are, but yeah, we have not bought them the supermarket food, because these are just the regular rabbits. They do not have any special attention, so they just feed on this, and that's it. And sometimes banana leaves and things like that. And the houses are dirty, by the way. They should be cleaned. quick update of our maize. Last time I showed you when they were still little, but right now they are grown and we have started weeding already. Another big rain is on the way. As you can see, the sky is heavy and it's about to pour like crazy.